So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what a domain name is, how to purchase your first domain name, and the best domain name provider you can make use of out there. Yes. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, what is a domain name? A domain name is simply the IP address you visit to access a certain web page on the net. Yes, I know that's a big grammar, but let me break it down in simple terms. Now, a domain name is simply any name you type in on your browser to access a specific web page. For example, you type in google.com, it takes you to Google server to access Google web page. So google.com, which you type in on your browser, is the domain name of Google. Yes. Your browser serves as a channel to which you can use to access the website, and you need to enter the domain name to visit the website. Just like every regular house, your road serve as a channel to go to the house, but the house address serve as the domain name to where you are going to. Yes, that's it. So now, what are the best domain name provider out there? Which of them can you make use of? Now, there's a competition about which is the best among all the domain name. But from my own experience, these are the ones I've tried, and I'm not listing them in no order, no particular order. But if you're just getting started for the first time, these are the ones you want to consider. Number one, Namecheap. Namecheap has been in the game for long, and I think they have a very good customer support in case you have issues that you're regarding solving at a per minute. So if you have any issue, Namecheap can easily attend to you instantly. So with Namecheap.com, you can get a domain name for as low as $10 and get started hosting your website. Yes, a $10 domain name is simply for a .com domain name, and below that you have domain names of $5, $2, as low as $1. You have .syz extensions. Now, what are domain name extensions? Now, domain name extensions are simply the ending part of any name you choose as a domain. So, for example, type of extension include .com, .com.ng, .net, .org, .info, .syz, and the list goes on and on and on. So you can purchase anyone from Namecheap as one of the best domain name provider out there. So number two domain name provider, you have GoDaddy. Just like Namecheap, they have been long in the business and they have been long in the game, and you can make use of them in actually purchasing a domain name. I have not tried GoDaddy before, and I think I'm satisfied with not trying it. But it is one you can literally make use of when you're working on a project. Now, number three domain name provider you can make use of when getting a premium domain name is Hostinger. Hostinger is actually okay to purchase your domain name. They are good, and I've used their service before. Although their customer support takes some time to respond, but then their service is okay and you can make use of them. Now, how do you get a domain name? So, assuming we are making use of Namecheap and we are getting a .com extension, here's how we get a domain name. Step one, visit namecheap.com. So, you want to go to your browser and type in www.namecheap.com, and it's going to take you to Namecheap server. Now, step two, scroll downward and search on the search bar that asks you to search for a domain name. So, search for whatever name you want to search for. So, it could be v3design.com or v3design.xyz or v3design.info. Now enter the word there and click on search. Now step three is going to pop up, Namecheap is going to pop up with a lot of names and extensions which you can pick one from. So your step three is to pick the domain name you want. So scroll through the list which they are going to give to you and pick any of the one you want. Now after getting that, step four is to make your payment. So you're going to add it to cart and make your payment. Now, after making your payment, step five is done. Yes, you have completely purchased your domain name. Now, if you're from Nigeria, you know that Namecheap do not sell domain extensions at .com.ng, .ng, .org.ng, and others you have. So now, if you are in Nigeria, here are some domain name company that you can actually make use of. First of all, you have on the list QServer. So QServers.net are actually one of the leading domain name provider in Nigeria. So you can make use of their services to actually purchase a domain name. Number two, you have UgoHost. But currently, UgoHost has switched to a different company right now. But if you still visit their server, you'll be taken to the new company they are actually working with right now or partnering with. So, but as of now, the company still functions, so you can visit their server. So UgoHost still remain another great domain name provider in Nigeria. So you also have others like Truehost. Truehost.com.ng is also another place you can get premium domain name for your business. So I think that serves right if you're just a beginner and you want to purchase a domain name. So you have the international body, which is the first three I made mention of. You have Namecheap, Hostinger, and GoDaddy to purchase those from. That reminds me, you also have Bluehost. Bluehost is still one of the leading. So according to my ranking, I choose Namecheap as the first, Bluehost as the second, Hostinger as the third before GoDaddy. So that's the order which I will arrange them if I'm asked to arrange them. So if you're buying a local TDL or a local domain name extension, so I'm going to tell you to use QServer first, Truehost second, and Host as the third on my list. So these are the domain name, and the step I told you about Namecheap is still the same step you use in every of the domain name provider. What you do is to go to their website, go to the domain name search bar, type in your domain name, select the domain name, add it to cart, and then make your payment, and you have your domain name. Now you know you need a hosting platform to host your domain name. So in another video, I will talk to you about how to get a hosting platform and connect your domain name to your hosting platform so you can start building your website. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. And if you're having trouble with anything, just ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you. So share this video to someone that needs it. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Yes, the tutorial is going to pop up on your screen. Watch that video for further knowledge. Thanks for watching, guys. See you. Bye.